2 scoops. The device shake? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit for you, huh? You like that?
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Ow.
We put in our milk. A little more for you. Okay, put the lid on. Oh, okay, one more scoop. A little extra nutrition, never hurt anybody. Oh, okay, put the lid on. No, the lid on the blender. Okay, Derek, turn it on. Oh, a little more for Derek. Okay, is Daddy's breakfast ready? Alright, turn it off. Okay, say bye, life.
Bye-bye.
Alright.